Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you all are doing good. Is your Windows 11 laptop battery draining too fast? In this video, I will show you some simple ways to reduce battery drain and improve battery life. So let's start the video. First, let's change the power mode. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option settings. On the left side, click on system. After that, on the right side, click on this option power and battery. Click on it. Now here you will see this option power mode. Click on it. Click on power mode. After that, you will see this option on battery. So you have to select best power efficiency for on battery. That's it. Cut this window. Next, we are going to turn on energy saver. For this, you have to again open settings. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option settings. Again, on the left side, click on system. After that, on the right side, click on this option power and battery. Click on it. Now here you will see this option energy saver. Click on it. This is the option we need. Turn energy saver on automatically. So you have to turn it on and set a battery percentage. That's it. Cut this window. And you can also use this shortcut to enable energy saver. Okay, like this. Next, open energy saver recommendation. For this, you have to again open settings. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Click on this option power and battery. Click on it. And here you will see this option energy recommendations. Click on it. Windows provides several recommendations that can help reduce power consumption. Now apply the recommendation that makes sense on your laptop. And these settings can help reduce unnecessary power uses. That's it. Cut this window. The next thing you can do is reduce screen brightness. So when you are running on battery, reduce screen brightness to a comfortable level. But if this screen brightness option is not available here, in that case you have to open settings again. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on settings. On the left side, click on system. After that, on the right side, click on this option display. And here you will see this option brightness. So you can increase or decrease the brightness from here as well. Next, reduce screen and sleep timeout. For this, you have to again open settings. So click on this settings option. Then click on this option power and battery. Now here you will see this option screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts. Click on it. Now in this on battery option, you have to set a shorter time for the screen to turn off and your laptop to go to sleep when you are running on battery. That's it. Now cut this window. Next, we are going to disable unnecessary startup apps. For this, you have to first open Task Manager. Then click on this option Task Manager. On the left side, click on this option Startup Apps. Click on Startup Apps. So these are the startup applications I have in my system. Now, if you don't need an app to start automatically, you can disable it, and this can help save battery life. If you want to disable any app, right click on it, then click on disable. So disable unnecessary application. Okay, like this. That's it. Cut this window. In the next step, we are going to check high CPU uses. For this, you have to again open Task Manager. So first open Task Manager. Now here you will see this CPU column. Okay, this one. Now if you see an unnecessary app using high CPU and you don't need it, you can close it. If you want to close any app, just right click on it, then click on End Task. Okay, that's it. Cut this window. Now update the battery driver. For this, you have to first open Device Manager. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Device Manager. In this device manager, you will see this option batteries. Expand this option. Now you have to right click on the battery driver, right click on it, and then click on update driver. Then click on search automatically. So this will update your battery driver. Click on close. After that, right click on the second one, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically. That's it. Click on close, cut this window and then restart your laptop. Finally, check for Windows Update. For this, you have to again open settings. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. On the left side, click on this option Windows Update. Now check for Windows Update. So these are the few simple ways you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.